In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Adobe Acrobat from automatically opening PDFs whenever you download them. Many of us have experienced the nuisance of PDFs opening up automatically, interrupting our workflow, or slowing down our system. In this tutorial, we'll walk through a simple and effective approach for preventing this from happening, whether you're using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC or Reader DC. Let's start by adjusting the preferences within Adobe Acrobat itself. First, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat. For those of you operating on a Windows system, you'll begin by navigating to the Edit menu. If you're on Mac OS, you should head over to the Acrobat menu. Once you're there, select Preferences. This will open a new window featuring a multitude of settings that you can customize. Within these settings, you'll see a list of categories on the left side. You'll want to select the General category. In this section, look for an option that reads something like Open PDFs automatically in Acrobat when they are downloaded. It's important to note that the wording might vary slightly depending on your version of Acrobat, but the key is to find the option that mentions auto opening of PDFs. Once you've located this, simply uncheck the box next to it. This action will prevent Adobe Acrobat from automatically opening PDFs in the future. After unchecking the box, don't forget to click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window. This will save the change you've just made. To ensure that this modification takes effect, you'll need to restart Acrobat. It's a good idea to close the application and open it again to make sure everything has been applied correctly. Now, once you've followed these steps, Adobe Acrobat will no longer disrupt your workflow by automatically opening downloaded PDFs. You'll maintain better control and efficiency, opening PDFs only when you're ready to view or work on them. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more insightful Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Sharing this video with colleagues or friends who might benefit from a more streamlined PDF experience would also be appreciated. By following these straightforward instructions, you're now equipped to manage PDFs more effectively and focus on what truly matters, your work. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more tutorials in the future.